Dust builds up in keyboards, PCs, and spaces, reducing performance and cleanliness, so a powerful, reusable cleaning solution becomes essential for maintaining devices and work areas efficiently. Discover the best electric compressed air duster for strong airflow and precision cleaning. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Performance Guru Air Duster. The Performance Guru Air Duster is a compact, battery-powered solution designed for users who need a portable and efficient cleaning tool without the hassle of cords. With a rated voltage of 16.8 volts and a maximum thrust of around 1.1 kilograms, it delivers enough airflow for everyday tasks like keyboard cleaning, PC maintenance, and light car interior detailing. Its dual functionality as a jet fan and blower makes it versatile, while the included battery ensures you can start using it right out of the box. The composite material construction keeps the unit lightweight yet durable, making it easy to handle for extended periods. Although it is categorized under massage and relaxation, its real-world performance leans more toward precision cleaning. The CE certification adds a layer of reliability and safety assurance. While it may not compete with industrial-grade dusters, it performs consistently for home and office use. Overall, it's a practical choice for users seeking a simple, rechargeable air duster with decent thrust and user-friendly operation, especially for electronics and small surface cleaning.
Number 2. Booster TF64A2 Air Duster. The Booster TF64A2 Air Duster stands out as a mid-range turbo blower that balances power and efficiency for home DIY and general cleaning applications. Equipped with a brushless motor, it ensures longer lifespan and reduced maintenance compared to traditional brushed alternatives, workshops, and vehicles. The turbo blower design enhances air pressure, allowing it to clean tighter spaces more effectively than standard air dusters. Its low-pressure classification makes it safer for delicate components, reducing the risk of damage while still maintaining good performance. The build quality feels solid, and the CE certification adds credibility in terms of safety standards. This model is particularly appealing for users who want a reliable, cordless blower without stepping into high-powered industrial territory. While it may not deliver extreme thrust, its consistency, quiet operation, and brushless motor efficiency make it a dependable option for regular cleaning tasks around the home or garage.
Number 3. Superstrong X50 Air Duster. The Superstrong X50 Air Duster is clearly engineered for heavy-duty performance, making it one of the most powerful options in this lineup. Featuring a high-speed 90mm brushless motor and a 12-blade fan system, it delivers an impressive thrust of up to 5,000 grams, making it suitable for industrial cleaning, yard maintenance, and even rapid cooling tasks. With a claimed 3,000-watt power output and 5 kg per second air displacement, this unit is built for users who need serious airflow rather than light-duty dusting. The ergonomic design improves handling despite its high output, and the steepless speed control allows precise adjustment depending on the task. Its external battery system with an XT60 interface provides flexibility for extended usage, especially when paired with high-capacity batteries. This makes it ideal for professionals or enthusiasts who require sustained performance. However, the need for external power solutions and higher power requirements may be a drawback for casual users. Overall, the X50 excels in power, versatility, and scalability, positioning itself as a robust tool for demanding environments.
Number 4. Makita Dryer Air Duster. The Makita Dryer Air Duster is a versatile and practical tool designed for users who value compatibility and convenience. With a powerful 1,000-watt motor capable of delivering airflow speeds up to 200 miles per hour, it handles a wide range of tasks, including car detailing, yard cleanup, and inflating items. The lightweight ABS construction ensures portability without sacrificing durability, and the ergonomic design enhances comfort during prolonged use.
The adjustable speed feature allows users to fine-tune airflow, which is especially useful when switching between delicate and heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Its multi-scenario usability makes it more than just an air duster, functioning as a general-purpose blower for both indoor and outdoor applications. While it may not reach extreme industrial power levels, it offers a strong balance of performance, flexibility, and ease of use, making it a reliable choice for everyday and semi-professional use.
Number 5. The ZJMZYM 3000 Watt Air Duster. The ZJMZYM 3000 Watt Air Duster is built for users who demand high thrust and customizable airflow in a compact form factor. With a powerful 3000 watt motor and up to 5000 Gs of thrust, it delivers strong air output capable of handling everything from keyboard cleaning to more intensive DIY tasks. Its brushless motor ensures durability and consistent performance, control over airflow intensity. The lightweight construction using ABS and PETG carbon fiber materials enhances portability without compromising strength. Unlike some competitors, this unit does not include a battery, which may require additional investment, but it also allows users to choose their preferred power setup. Its turbo blower design improves efficiency in clearing dust from tight or complex areas. Overall, the ZJMZYM Air Duster offers a compelling combination of power, control, and durability, making it ideal for both hobbyists and users who need a high-performance cleaning tool for versatile applications. Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.